Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the night it is that you're looking at this video. Hey to you guys, it's your girl Vicky and I'm back with another lit video. But yeah, if you are a new subscriber, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin', friend? You know what's going on. So I know you're here because of the title of the video, so let's go ahead and get into the video, y'all. This is 3 ways that you can start your weight loss. So the first way that I would start your weight loss and recommend to start your weight loss is creating at least a 16-8 method type of fasting. Now, whether or not you take fasting as the benefit that it is, but just creating a window of when you should eat so you don't overeat should be the priority. My fasting window specifically would be from 12 o'clock noon until 8 o'clock at night. And I really try to push myself to not eat past 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock would be my latest. Just because it just works out best for me. Yeah, I commonly just skip breakfast anyways and have breakfast food in the afternoon. I used to count my carbs. Carbs give you energy. So don't skip out on those carbs. Make sure that you're counting your micros and your macros. Fiber and protein, y'all. Fiber and protein will help you lose that weight, gain muscle, and help it be like a longevity. So creating that 16-8 schedule method, like I said, it just gives your body time to digest that food that you was already eating for the day. Because sometimes we just don't give our body enough time to digest at all. You just keep going, and that's how the weight is going back on. I don't know if I'm a fan of this everything bagel seasoning, but I give it about a 6 out of 10. The second thing that I would recommend would be for you to create a meal plan for yourself. It doesn't matter if you do keto. It doesn't matter if you do high protein. It doesn't matter if you do Weight Watchers. It doesn't matter what route. But you need to come up with a meal plan for yourself, tailored to yourself and your needs on how you're going to get this weight down. Remember, when you're losing weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit for you to see any kind of difference in your journey. A meal plan could be towards anything. This is just for your nutrition, okay? This is for what you're going to eat every day, how you're going to eat it, how you're going to track it. And then once you choose what meal plan that you're going to go through and go with, then I would recommend for you to start meal prepping throughout your day. That way that you just don't do any kind of mindless eating. So as I was mentioning, it doesn't matter. You need to have some type of routine that you can stick with to get this weight off of you. And you can't think like, oh, I'm gonna get this weight up off of me within like 30 days. Like, you need to give yourself a full year. Like, seriously, give yourself a full year. I thought that was the craziest thing. Like, I just could not see that far past a year, and I'm here almost 2. Like, it's just crazy. Because I had stopped my weight loss, but for me to be consistent, I had stopped my weight loss back in August last year. And then I picked back up in December. So, also, when you create your routine, add some activity. Rather if you walk, rather if you go to the gym, rather if you work out at home, watch a YouTube video. It does not matter. Make sure that you guys are watching. Make sure that you're applying a routine. Make sure that you're applying a workout to your routine. That is very, very important. You want to make sure that you're burning as much calories that you're taking in. And of course, who wouldn't want to work out? You go to the gym just to lose a couple pounds. I go to the gym now just because I feel down and out. I don't even feel right when I don't work out. I don't even be feeling right. So it don't even matter if I go to the gym, and it don't even matter if I work out at home. I just don't feel right. I either take a walk through my neighborhood, and there's so many different alternatives. But for my routine, for me, and of course it's not going to be the same uniform routine. I think some people, when they think like, oh, weight loss, you have to stay uniform to that routine. And life is going to happen, guys. Life is going to happen. It's just having that self-control throughout your routine to get to the goal that you want to get to. Y'all see that? Get to the goal that y'all want to get to. Don't make up no excuses. Like, it's easier said than done, and I totally understand. I totally get it. It's easier said than done, but it's not impossible either. So your routine is going to be different, and you're going to have to alternate that routine as you start going down. Because what your body needs when you are bigger is not the same thing that it's going to need when you get smaller. I have the MyFitnessPal app that tracks your protein, it tracks your carbs for the day, it lets you know how much more you need to eat and where you need to stay at to be in your calorie deficit, and it's very resourceful. For the month of October, I'm trying to make sure that I can get down at least 5 to 10 pounds this month. That is my goal. That's what I'm just working towards. So I don't necessarily meal prep anymore, but if you're a beginner, you're just starting out, you want to go ahead and restart this journey, you're doing some body recount, that's what I would definitely do to recommend. You don't have to do exactly what I do. You don't. Because remember, I already been doing this whole process for the last almost year now. So, what else? So for the other 3 days of the week, I do try to do a fast. And if I don't, so I do fast 3 days out of the week. For those 3 days, I do one of the two fasts. I'm either doing my OMAD, which is 1 meal a day, or I'm doing my 3-day fast, 72-hour water fast, just drinking nothing but liquids. But y'all know, I've been telling y'all in these videos, trying to put y'all on game, put y'all on tea, call it what you want, but I still drink my protein shake. I still drink my detox throughout my 3-day water fast. Yes, I do. Now, at the most, and I take my vitamins. So I detox, I take vitamins, and drink my protein shake. I don't know why I blanked out. And drink my protein shake. Okay? So I do those 3 things while I'm doing my water fast. I haven't did a direct water fast in a couple of months. I just did one here over the weekend, just to get my system cleaned out and all that stuff. Now, if I do a 3-day fast, and it's usually it's on the weekend, because those are my worstest time. I'm just sitting around the house. Usually when I got to go to work throughout the week, I'm able to get up to go move around and do a lot of stuff. But since I'm off on the weekends, I try to make myself a little bit more strict, which is why I do that fasting on the weekends from Friday to Monday. That way I can keep myself under portion control. I won't have to do too much. And if I do, I just do 1 meal a day and kind of take it real light on. All right, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Remember, if you want to start your weight loss, give yourself a good year to go ahead and get it done. To get yourself started, and make sure that when you get yourself started within the first year, you're gonna just notice that it's gonna be a lifestyle change. Like, I don't know how else to say it's gonna be a lifestyle change, because once you're dedicated for a year, at this point it's already a habit. So yeah, you guys, it was fun talking to you guys. That was my advice for the first 3 ways. Well, that was my advice, 3 ways on how you can get started on your weight loss journey. And I'm excited to see this journey for you, friend. I'm excited to be a part of this. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for taking all my advice. And thank y'all for showing the love that y'all have as well. But your girl Vicky is going to be out. If you're a new subscriber, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, I'll see you again next time. Other than that, make sure you go ahead and comment down below if you have any more ideas, or if you have any other questions for me, and I'll be glad to answer for y'all. Or if y'all have any video recommendations, let me know if y'all have any video recommendations. But your girl is out, and I'll see y'all later.